I have heard this happening in many of the engineering colleges and all, where rather than helping the juniors out, they bully the juniors. Right? So a contributor is a person who would want to help everybody, no? Rather than creating problems for them. And finally, a contributor, we've had a lovely cricket season where we have won a World Cup. And why was that? Because each and every team member contributed towards it. No? If Sachin did not play, Dhoni played. Yuvraj out થઈ ગયો તો Gautam Gambhir played. So it's like, it's a teamwork. Wherein what they do, the cricketers who always put their team success before personal success. Fine? Sachin was equally happy. Even if he did not get many runs in the finals. But he was equally ecstatic by the point that we had won the World Cup. For him, the personal success was not important, the team success was. So contributor will always put the thing that personal success નહીં, if overall growth થાય છે તો obviously હું personally grow થવાની છું. Right? If મારી company સારું કરે છે તો automatically મારો પગાર વધવાનો છે. I don't need to think about me, I need to think about the company. And automatically it's like, if company grows, I am going to grow. So it's a chain reaction which is going to happen. So these are all the contributors. This exercise that we did, now you just get 2 minutes, not 5, right? And just ponder upon the point. If you have anything addition to add, no? And I think I want more volunteers. So if any additional point where you thought कि भाई yes આ બી contributor હોઈ શકે કે આવું પણ contributor કરી શકે તો please add on, but just take 2 minutes.
Excuse me ma'am, I want to share one more idea.
Yes please
about
sir.
The contributor.
Yes sir.
So there are so many rules and regulations for good citizen in our country.
Yes.
So if we all follow all these rules, then we become a good contributor.
Precisely, very true sir, that rather than thinking કે ભાઈ મારા એક ના કરવાથી શું થવાનું છે, why should I care? ઓલી ક્યાં કરે છે, ઓલો ક્યાં કરે છે. Fine? So I completely agree with you sir કે ખાલી એક it's as simple as that we can be a good citizen. That is also a contribution to our nation. કે એક સારા citizen બની જાય ને તો બી ઘણું છે. And I think sir at some point in time ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક personal ground, professional education ma, you all are contributors. It's just that you need to realize that and show that to the employees that I am a contributor. Yeah, just take 2 minutes and if you want to add anything. Yes, please. I want new people. I see her writing quite some things. There's a huge list that she has. So please share.
A contributor has sharp mind and
Okay.
its relations with each and every person are only positive.
Very true that very nice point that a contributor will have very great interpersonal skills. He will have great relationships with people. That's only because that if I am contributing, people are going to like me. હું કામ કરવાની છું તો people are going to like me. So yes, he or she will have great interpersonal skills. Yes please.
Contributor is who is eager to do something new, ideas and innovation which is very beneficial to our organization.
Okay.
And also accept the new ideas and innovative skills from their colleagues or workers.
Yeah, so basically he is innovative and creative is what you're trying to say. That he puts in creativity and interest in the work that he does. Yes?
He has handshaking attitude with sharing of work with himself also and as well as team. 3 qualities are there: listening, visualization and speech as requirement.
Fair enough. I did not get the shaking attitude. Can you just...
I am working, let's be all working.
Okay. Fair enough. So he's joining hands with everybody and rather than going all alone, he's taking along everybody and working, is what you're saying. કે હું આગળ વધું છું સાથે સાથે બધા મારી આખી ટીમને આગળ લઈને વધે એવું વિઝન છે, રાઈટ? ગ્રેટ. યસ પ્લીઝ.
Contributor is one who believes in I should do instead of why I should do.
Yes, very true. That rather than asking કે હું શું કામ કરું, it's like why not me. આપણે યુઝ્યુઅલી એવું પૂછીએ છીએ કે why me, એના બદલે કન્ટ્રીબ્યુટર શું કહેશે why not me, બીજું શું કામ, હું શું કામ ના કરું. Anybody else? Yes, please.
Contributor is the fulfill the requirement of client as well as employees.
Okay, he fulfills the requirements of clients as well as employees. Fair enough. Yes, please.
A contributor is a person who can only be a contributor if he loves what he is doing, not for the sake of doing the things.
Okay.
If he doesn't like or love his job or say what he is doing, he is not happy with it, then it will be doing the things like
I'll
for the sake of
definitely
it.
come back to you on this. Not necessary. It's please have a seat. That's okay. Not necessary if even if I don't love my job, but I feel that I am here to do that, and till the time I'm doing this, I have to do it perfectly. I will still do it perfectly. I'll come back to you later on this. Yeah. So yes, as all of you said, a contributor is immersed in what he or she does. Fine. He cares about other people. Right? He is trustworthy. Fine. એકવાર કન્ટ્રીબ્યુટરને કામ આપી દીધું પછી બોસે જ વિચારવાની જરૂર નથી કે થશે કે નહીં થાય. I think some of you only said કે he would say કે why not me. Right? He said that. So if I think કે why not me, તો હું automatically કરીશ. Then I don't need my boss to monitor me કે આ કર્યું કે નહીં કર્યું કે નહીં. It's something like ટીચરે પછી પાછું નહીં કહેવું પડે કે તમે અસાઇનમેન્ટ કરીને આવ્યા છો કે નહીં. અસાઇનમેન્ટ થઈ જ ગયું, ચેક કરવાની પણ જરૂર ના પડે. રાઈટ? Then he is inner directed, એટલે પોતાની ઈચ્છાથી કરે છે. Not because મને મેમે કીધું છે એટલે હું કરું છું, પણ મને એવું લાગે છે કે મારા માટે ફાયદાકારક છે અને મારી કંપની માટે ફાયદાકારક છે અને હું આનાથી ગ્રો થઈશ એટલે હું કરીશ. Not because કે મને કોકે કીધું એટલે હું કરીશ. Fine? Then he takes responsibilities. He is focused on rather larger purposes than personal goals. જે આપણે સચિનનું એક્ઝામ્પલ લીધું કે ભાઈ પર્સનલ ગોલ નહીં, હોલિસ્ટિક વ્યૂ શું છે. એઝ હી સેડ કે બધાનો હાથ પકડીને સાથે આગળ વધવું છે, મારે એકલાય આગળ નથી જવું. ફાઇન. હી ક્રિએટ્સ વેલ્યુઝ એન્ડ મેક્સ અ ડિફરન્સ ટુ હિમ, ટુ ધ ટીમ, ટુ ધ ઓર્ગનાઇઝેશન એન્ડ સોસાયટી એઝ અ હોલ. ફાઇન. strives for excellence or quality in what he or she does, and finally he thinks win-win. Win-win is મને પણ જીતવું છે અને સાથે સાથે તમે જીતવા છો. એવું નહીં કે હું જીતી જાઉં ને સામેવાળો હારે. It is like